I got the idea many years ago after watching someone bag and double bag and triple bag all my groceries that were already inside of bags and boxes and bags, and I just was sort of struck by how ridiculous how much packaging is involved in our everyday lives, and it just seemed so absurd, and I thought maybe I could make a project that was even more absurd. We wanted it to be realistic because, I think when you walk into the plastic bag store, we wanted it to feel like a regular grocery store, so that when you went to a regular grocery store, it would feel like the plastic bag store. I hope that we can continue to tour this project and bring it to different communities. And my dream would be that this project becomes irrelevant, but it probably won't be.